Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Tech InfoWire channel. Today, we're going to be taking a deep dive into the world of professional certifications. You know those credentials that can really boost your project management career? It's like getting a cheat sheet to understanding what these certifications actually mean and how they can really help you stand out in the job market.
Yeah, it's funny. We often hear about certifications like they're these magic keys to success. But what's the reality? Are they really worth the hype?
Right. So let's unpack that a bit. We've got this really interesting article here from LearnXYZ called The Importance of Certifications. And it makes a pretty strong case for why certifications matter, especially in a field like project management. You know, things are changing constantly, new technologies, new methodologies,
Absolutely.
and they highlight two big names in the article, PMP and PRINCE2. So I'm curious from your perspective, why do those two stand out? What makes them so special?
Well, they've become kind of like industry benchmarks.
Hmm.
They signal to employers that you have a deep understanding of project management principles. So for someone like you looking to advance their career, it translates to instant credibility. It's like saying, hey, I speak the language of project management. And that can open doors to some really exciting opportunities, maybe even internationally.
So it's not just about the knowledge itself. It's about how that knowledge is perceived by potential employers.
Exactly. It's a signal. Think about it from the perspective of a recruiter. They're sifting through hundreds of resumes, and then they see one with a PMP certification. Right away, that tells them, okay, this candidate has invested in themselves, they're committed to best practices, and they've gone the extra mile to prove their expertise.
Okay, yeah, I'm starting to see the appeal. So let's break these certifications down one by one. First up, PMP. What's the deal with this certification?
PMP stands for Project Management Professional, and it's issued by the Project Management Institute, also known as PMI. It's really gained global recognition as kind of the gold standard for project management certification.
Yeah, the article mentions a project manager, Jane Doe, who used her PMP to land a leadership role on a huge international software project. Pretty impressive.
Yeah, talk about a career game changer.
Right.
It really shows you how the PMP can catapult your career. It equips you with a comprehensive understanding of project management, from scoping out projects and setting realistic timelines to managing budgets, ensuring quality, and even navigating those inevitable risks that pop up. It's really about seeing the big picture while keeping an eye on all the moving parts.
And I hear the PMP exam is no walk in the park.
Yeah.
It's based on the PMBOK guideline.
Yes, the PMBOK, or
Or
Project Management Body of Knowledge. It's like the Encyclopedia of Project Management. It covers a vast range of concepts and methodologies, so it ensures that you have a really rock-solid foundation.
So it's not just about memorizing facts. It's about understanding the principles behind successful project management.
Exactly.
And what about the networking aspect?
Oh, that's huge. Becoming a PMP means joining a global community of like-minded professionals. You'll have access to industry events, resources, mentorship opportunities. That's invaluable.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. It's like joining an exclusive club
Yeah.
of project management experts.
Precisely. Now, if you're thinking about diving deeper into the world of certifications, I highly recommend checking out LearnXYZ.in. They've got a treasure trove of information on various project management certifications.
Yeah, I've heard great things about LearnXYZ.in. Definitely worth checking out. Okay, so let's shift gears a bit to PRINCE2. What makes this certification unique?
PRINCE2 stands for Projects in Controlled Environments. It has a really strong foothold in the UK and Europe. It was developed by Axelos, and it offers a very structured, process-driven methodology.
The article highlights David Brown, who successfully managed a healthcare project using PRINCE2. Sounds like that structured approach was really key to keeping everything on track in such a complex field.
Absolutely. One of PRINCE2's strengths is its emphasis on clearly defined roles and responsibilities, so everyone knows exactly what they're accountable for, which minimizes confusion and streamlines decision-making.
So it's like having a clear roadmap from start to finish, with everyone knowing their part in the journey.
That's a great analogy. Another key aspect of PRINCE2 is its focus on business justification. This ensures that every project aligns with the organization's strategic goals and delivers tangible value.
So it's not just about getting the project done, it's about making sure the project is worth doing in the first place and contributes to the bigger picture.
You nailed it. The article gives a good example with Emily Clark. She used PRINCE2 to justify a major upgrade to a banking platform by focusing on the business case. She ensured that the project had a clear purpose and aligned with the company's long-term objectives.
I'm already seeing how this can be applied in real-world scenarios. It's about ensuring that resources are used effectively and that projects are truly valuable to the organization.
Precisely. And it's not just about the initial justification. PRINCE2 emphasizes regular reviews and checkpoints throughout the project lifecycle, ensuring that everything stays on track and aligned with the initial goals.
That's smart. It's like having built-in course correction to prevent projects from veering off course.
Exactly. Now, are you ready to dive into some more examples of how these methodologies play out in real-world situations?
Definitely. Let's explore how these certifications have helped people in various industries. So we've got this picture of PMP being this globally recognized powerhouse, and Prince2 coming in with its structured approach. I'm curious, how do these methodologies actually play out in real-world situations?
Well, the article gives a great example of a guy named Michael Johnson, who used PRINCE2 to manage this massive government infrastructure project. Think about the complexities involved there: coordinating multiple contractors, navigating legal hurdles, ensuring public safety. PRINCE2's emphasis on control and documentation was likely crucial to keeping such a complex project on track and within budget.
Yeah, that makes sense. In a project of that scale, having those checks and balances in place would be crucial for managing risks and ensuring accountability. But what about those of us who aren't building bridges or managing multi-million-dollar software deployments? How do PMP and Prince2 apply to, say, smaller projects or different industries?
That's where the beauty of these frameworks lies. They're adaptable. Take PMP, for example. Its principles can be applied to any project, really, whether you're launching a marketing campaign, planning a fundraising event, or even organizing a community initiative. It's about understanding those core principles: scope, time, cost, risk, and applying them to your specific context.
So it's like having a mental toolkit that you can draw from, regardless of the project size or complexity.
Exactly. And PRINCE2, with its structured approach, can be incredibly valuable even for smaller projects. Let's say you're working on a website redesign project. You can use PRINCE2's principles to define clear roles, break the project down into manageable stages, and ensure regular communication and progress tracking. It brings a level of organization and clarity that can help you avoid those common project pitfalls, like scope creep, missed deadlines, budget overruns.
So having these certifications is like having a secret weapon in your back pocket. It gives you a competitive edge no matter what project you're tackling.
Precisely. It's about bringing that professional edge to every project, demonstrating your commitment to best practices and efficient execution.
Now, we focused a lot on PMP and Prince2, but I know there are other project management certifications out there. What about some of those other options?
Yeah, there are definitely a few other contenders worth mentioning, each with its own strengths and target audience. For example, there's the Certified Scrum Master, or CSM, which has gained immense popularity, especially in the world of software development.
Yeah, I've heard a lot of buzz about agile methodologies lately. Is that what CSM is all about?
You got it. CSM focuses specifically on the Scrum framework, which is all about iterative development, collaboration, and adapting to change quickly. So imagine a team of developers working on a new app. They work in these short, focused bursts called sprints, constantly reviewing their progress, gathering feedback, and making adjustments along the way.
So it's more dynamic and flexible approach.
Yeah.
Compared to traditional waterfall methods.
Exactly. CSM empowers teams to be self-organizing and responsive to change, which is crucial in fast-paced environments like software development.
It sounds like CSM could be a valuable asset for anyone working in a field where agility and rapid iteration are key.
Absolutely. Now, there's another certification called IAPM, the Certified Agile Project Manager, which takes a slightly different approach.
How is IAPM different from CSM?
Well, while CSM dives deep into Scrum, IAPM tries to bridge the gap between agile and traditional project management methods. It recognizes that not every project fits neatly into one box, and sometimes a hybrid approach is needed.
So IAPM could be a good fit for someone who needs to navigate both traditional and agile environments.
Precisely. It equips you with the flexibility to tailor your approach based on the specific project needs and the team's working style.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Now, let's not forget Lean Six Sigma, which I know is popular in industries like manufacturing and healthcare.
Lean Six Sigma is all about process improvement, reducing waste, and maximizing efficiency. While not strictly a project management methodology, it's a powerful tool for any project manager who wants to streamline workflows, eliminate bottlenecks, and deliver projects more effectively.
It sounds like a valuable skill set to have, regardless of your industry or the specific project management methodology you're using.
Definitely. Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed by all these options and wondering which path to choose, LearnXYZ.in is a fantastic resource. They offer detailed information on each certification, helping you understand the nuances and determine which one aligns best with your career goals.
That's great advice. It's easy to get lost in the alphabet soup of certifications, so having a reliable source like LearnXYZ.in to guide you through the process is invaluable.
Absolutely. They even have tools to compare certifications side by side so you can really make an informed decision.
So we've got this wide array of certifications, each with its own unique flavor and approach. It's clear that they can have a significant impact on your career trajectory. But I'm wondering, what are some of the tangible benefits beyond just landing a job?
That's a great question. While certifications can certainly boost your resume and make you a more attractive candidate, the benefits go far beyond that. They're about personal and professional growth.
So it's not just about adding a line to your resume. It's about becoming a more effective and well-rounded project manager.
Exactly. These certifications force you to really dive deep into the principles of project management, to think critically about different methodologies, and develop a toolkit of strategies for tackling various challenges. You know, that kind of knowledge and experience is invaluable, regardless of where your career takes you.
It's like investing in your own professional development, becoming a more valuable asset to any team that you're a part of.
Absolutely. And let's not forget about the confidence boost. That comes with earning a certification, knowing that you've met industry standards, and you have the knowledge to back it up, can give you that extra edge in meetings negotiations, even when leading a team.
That makes sense. It's like having that extra validation
Yeah.
that you're on the right track, that you've mastered a particular skill set.
Yeah.
But I imagine the learning doesn't stop once you get certified, right?
Right. That's where it gets really interesting. Earning a certification is just the first step. The real journey is about continuous learning, staying updated on industry trends, exploring new methodologies, and constantly refining your skills.
So it's not about resting on your laurels. It's about embracing a growth mindset and constantly pushing yourself to become a better project manager.
Exactly. And that's what employers are looking for, individuals who are passionate about their craft, who are always seeking to improve, and who can bring that drive and dedication to their projects.
So as we wrap up this deep dive into project management certifications, what's the key takeaway for our listeners?
I'd say if you're serious about your career in project management, don't underestimate the power of certifications. They're not just pieces of paper. They're investments in your future. They demonstrate your commitment to excellence. They equip you with valuable skills, and they open doors to incredible opportunities.
It's like a signal to employers that you're not just talking the talk, you're walking the walk.
Yeah.
You've put in the time and effort to master your craft, and that speaks volumes.
Precisely. And if you're feeling a bit lost, in the sea of certifications, I highly recommend checking out LearnXYZ.in. They've got a wealth of resources to help you navigate the landscape, choose the right path, and embark on your certification journey with confidence.
Great advice. LearnXYZ.in is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to level up their project management skills and advance their career.
It's been a pleasure exploring this topic with you today. I hope our listeners feel empowered to take that next step in their project management journey.
It's been an insightful conversation. And to all our listeners out there, thank you for joining us on the Tech and Firewire channel. We'll catch you on the next deep dive.